In this video, interesting home presence Yayoi Kusama style meditation room. Yayoi Kusama, this globally renowned Japanese artist, holds a pivotal position in the contemporary art world with her unique artistic style and design philosophy. Her works span various fields including painting, sculpture, and installation art. Characterized by their striking visual impact and profound psychological depth, they have captured the attention of audiences worldwide. This article will delve into Kusama's design concepts and style, revealing the thoughts and emotions behind her artistic creations. Kusama's artistic journey began in the 1950s, with her early works influenced by surrealism and abstract expressionism. Over time, however, she developed her own distinctive style. Her art is marked by dense polka dot patterns, infinitely extending lines, and strong color contrasts. These elements form her visual language, conveying her unique perception of the world and inner emotions. Kusama's design philosophy is deeply influenced by her personal experiences. Suffering from a visual disorder since childhood, known as trypophobia, she perceives the world as filled with dense dots. Kusama transformed this visual experience into artistic creation, expressing her perception of the world through repeated polka dot patterns. These dots are not only a signature element in her art, but also a bridge for her communication with the world. In Kusama's works, dots are not just visual elements but also a form of philosophical contemplation. She believes that these dots represent the infinity and eternity of the universe, serving as a link between the individual and the cosmos. Through dots, Kusama explores the relationship between the individual and the universe, as well as humanity's place in the cosmos. Her art often gives people a feeling of transcending reality and time, guiding viewers into an imaginative world full of infinite possibilities. Kusama's design style is also highly distinctive. Her works often feature bright colors and bold compositions that provide a strong visual impact. Kusama is adept at using vibrant colors such as red, yellow, and blue, which not only enhance the visual impact of her works but also convey her love for life and pursuit of beauty. At the same time, her works often include bold lines and shapes, which, combined with polka dot patterns, create a unique visual rhythm and sense of movement. Kusama's artistic creations also reflect her profound understanding of nature and life. Many of her works take nature as their theme, such as her Pumpkin series, which, through exaggerated and deformed techniques, showcase the vitality and beauty of nature. Kusama believes that nature is the destination of the human soul, and she expresses her reverence for nature and respect for life through her art. In addition to painting and sculpture, Kusama has ventured into installation and performance art. Her installation artworks often feature immersive experiences, such as her infinity mirrored rooms, which use mirrors and lighting to create an infinitely extending space, allowing viewers to experience the infinity of time and space. Kusama's performance art emphasizes audience participation and interaction, encouraging viewers to become part of the artistic creation and explore the possibilities of art together. Kusama's artistic creation is also influenced by her profound experience with mental illness. Suffering from schizophrenia, she often suffers from hallucinations and delusions. However, Kusama was not defeated by the disease but turned these experiences into inspiration for artistic creation. Many of her works have a strong surrealistic color, showing her exploration of dreams and reality. Through art, Kusama has found a way to express herself and heal her soul. Kusama's artistic career is full of legendary colors. Her works have not only attracted widespread attention in the art world, but also had a profound impact on popular culture. Many fashion brands, movies, and music works have been inspired by her. Kusama's artistic achievements have been recognized by the international community. Her works are collected by art museums around the world and have held solo exhibitions in multiple countries and regions. In summary, Kusama's design concepts and style are diverse and profound. Her works, characterized by polka dot patterns, bright colors, and bold compositions, convey her unique perception of the world and inner emotions. At the same time, her artistic creation also reflects her profound understanding of nature, life, and mental illness. Kusama's art is not only a feast for the eyes but also a touch for the soul, guiding us to explore the relationship between the individual and the universe, reality and dreams. Through her works, we can glimpse the inner world of this great artist, feeling her love for life and pursuit of beauty. Incorporating Yayoi Kusama's design style into interior design is more than an aesthetic revolution for the space. It's a profound touch to the spiritual world of the inhabitants. Known for her polka dots, mirror reflections, and surreal elements, Kusama's art, imbued with a sense of infinite universe and deep affection for nature, brings an unprecedented transformation to the field of interior design. When her design philosophy meets interior spaces, every detail seems to be infused with life, making the living space a perfect fusion of art and life. Imagine stepping into such a space where the ubiquitous polka dot pattern first catches your eye. These dots, in various sizes, colors, and densities, are sprinkled on walls, furniture, and even the ceiling like countless stars scattered in the night sky, creating a deep and vast cosmic visual experience. In Kusama's artistic context, polka dots are not just decorative forms but symbols of infinity and connection, inviting inhabitants to transcend physical boundaries and contemplate the relationship between the self and the universe, experiencing a cosmic consciousness beyond the ordinary. The clever use of mirrors further enhances the sense of infinity in the space. Kusama excels at creating the effect of infinity mirror rooms through mirror reflections, making viewers feel as if they are in a boundless universe. In interior design, this can be achieved by setting up large mirror walls or using mirror decorations. When light is cast on these mirrors, the space instantly expands, creating a fascinating optical illusion, allowing inhabitants to feel the flow of time and space and profound contemplation of their existence in daily life. Furniture and decorative items with natural forms also have a place in Kusama-style interior design. Her love for nature is reflected in the imitation and abstraction of plants, animals, and landscapes. Choosing furniture like a tea table shaped like a tree root, a chandelier in the shape of petals, or a chair designed with biomimicry, not only adds vitality and energy to the space but also allows inhabitants to feel the breath and pulse of nature in daily life, establishing a deep connection with nature and experiencing a tranquility and harmony that return to simplicity. Color plays an essential role in Kusama's designs. She prefers high saturation and high contrast color combinations, such as bright red with emerald green, bright yellow with deep purple. These bold and vivid colors not only attract visual attention but also stimulate emotional resonance, filling the space with vitality and passion. In interior design, the clever use of these colors on walls, furniture, or soft furnishings can create a living environment full of artistic atmosphere and personal charm, allowing inhabitants to feel the richness and beauty of life in a sea of colors. Incorporating Kusama's design style into interior design is essentially a deep dialogue on art, nature, and human emotions. It changes not only the appearance of the space but, more importantly, the connotation of the space, filling every inch with stories and emotions. Living in such an environment, people are not only enjoying visual aesthetics but also experiencing a unique philosophy of life, a way of life that establishes deep connections with oneself, others, and all things in the universe. In summary, the application of Kusama's design style in interior design is a feast for both the eyes and the soul. It leads us beyond the mediocrity of daily life to explore a broader and deeper world. In this world, we are both artists and explorers, each telling our own stories of encountering the world. Kusama's design style is like a key that opens the door to infinite possibilities, allowing us to discover hidden beauty and miracles in the trivialities of everyday life, making our lives vibrant because of art, wonderful because of design, harmonious because of nature, and ultimately achieving a perfect unity of body, mind, and spirit.